Two beautiful Quantum Sprinters to show you today. Over here, decked out in our Midnight Edition paint, the Quantum MB24. Behind me, in the Daydreamer Edition, the GL24. We'll start over here, work our way back. Going to show you both of them. A lot of similarities as they are both Mercedes Sprinters. They are both built on that 4500 chassis, 208 horsepower, 332 pound-feet of torque, and every safety feature you could ask for. What you have to ask yourself is, how do you want to use a 25-foot, 10-inch motorhome? What are you going to do with it? How long are you going to be gone? Do you need storage? You're going to love what you get right here. Look at this pass-through storage. All the way from side to side. You have that nice tread plate down below. There is a rack in the back. If you have, and this is a really neat life hack that I have seen, and I haven't tried it, but it appears as though it actually works. If you have those little e-bikes that fold up, you can actually fit both of those in a tote, and then you put the tote back here and they slide in and out. I think that's pretty cool, but you can totally fit whatever you want in that bay. Another nice storage bay here. Down here, we have our 4,000 watt propane generator. Both of these are gonna have the same 4,000 watt propane generator. You are also going to find an exterior propane connection. So a grill, a griddle, whatever it is you need, you can connect right there. Right now, both of these are equipped with the electric stabilizing jacks. If you would like one-touch leveling jacks, that is an option. You can option that in. As we work our way back, right over here, an exterior shower. If you need more solar, who doesn't need more on a sunny day like this? You can put and plug in some panels right there and then run those and direct those right there. GFCI outlets. Nice large storage bay right here. And that is going to take us right inside. This is a really cool floor plan here. I mean, it is open, it's airy, push button reading lights right over here over the theater seats. I like this. I think you'll appreciate having these little tables where you can just slide in, and here you go. These move out of the way. If you want to take and store those in the closet, you most certainly can do that, make it work for you. You want one, you want none, it doesn't matter. Move them out of the way, and you are good to just walk right over here to our kitchen. Flip up countertop extension. Large sink right here, 2-burner gas cooktop, microwave. Love this. Look at this. Little drink cooler. That's awesome, right? So whatever you can't fit in this fridge over here, just toss down there. Maybe it's your Yoo-hoo. Did anybody actually ever really drink Yoo-hoo? I can say I have never tried a Yoo-hoo in my life. Just saying. Nice cabinets right up here. So a ton of storage no matter where you are. 15,000 BTU AC unit. That's controlled right here. And then we get back to the split bath. Over here, our nice large shower. Shower's on a wand. There's a skylight, a lot of natural light. I'm going to step back and we will show you inside the bathroom here. Toilet, sink, medicine cabinet, all the goodies you need for a bathroom on the go. And then we get into one of the coolest features of this floor plan. Is there anything better than a twin to king setup? Maybe it depends on what you need. If you like a Murphy bed, we're going to show you that in just a couple minutes. Right now we have the twin configuration, closet on each side, tons of storage up above. There's a vent fan back here as well. Open the windows, get some ventilation in here. It's a great floor plan. It's a great layout. Need something a little different? Maybe this doesn't work for you. That's okay. We have an entirely other motorhome to show you. Don't forget, in each one, you are going to get that over the cab bunk. As we walk on back over here to our MB24, sort of the same situation. We're gonna have a ton of storage on the outside. Little bay down here, a propane connection. Our generator is right here, the hose. Another large storage bay, fresh water fill. Both of these are equipped with an exterior awning. LED lights underneath, you can turn those on. Set up camp at night, makes a nice night light, and then in we go. So from a cockpit standpoint, they're both the same, totally Mercedes. I like the new upgraded steering wheel, very modern digital dash. All the controls are right there. Adaptive cruise control, infotainment center has all the bells and whistles, your Apple CarPlay, your Android Auto, tons of cup holders, heated memory seats. They are power. These will spin around and become part of your living area. The over the cab bunk, you have the sky shade. And then in here, a very different setup once we get past the kitchen. So we have our dinette here, child safety tether built in right there. Sit here, sleep here, make it work for you. That's what I like to say, make it work for you. Big old sink, TV right up here, storage behind the TV, which is pretty cool. What are you gonna store back there? All the extra fat bombs that you've made. I don't know what a fat bomb is, but man, I would eat everything on there. Of course, as dessert, after I whipped up a nutritious meal with our 3-burner gas cooktop, microwave down below, and then we get to the big difference. We went from a twin to king. This is going to have a sofa. So you're gonna get more seating over here in the MB24. The sofa's here, you're across from the massive fridge. Tons of space in that 12-volt fridge with the freezer. And then you're like, you know what? Need a little sleep time, need a little sleepy nap. Real easy to do. All you have to do is move the cushions right out here, and then you pull this down, you pull this down, and check it out. Notice it's just like your bed at home. Then we're gonna move this mattress here so you can see this folds right down into a very comfortable bed. And just like home, this is how the bed looks when I wake up in the morning, and it's exactly how it looks when I go to bed at night. I am not a big bed maker. It's not my jam. Sleeping's my jam, not making the bed. Ain't nobody got time for that. That's what's great about this Murphy bed. You don't have to make the bed. You keep it Steve style. And then you just push that up like that, and then you push that underneath there. Now no one knows the bed is old Steve style, which means messy, messy, messy. And look at that, now you're right back into your couch. You have 12-volt USB A and C, 110s right there. And again, another nice rear bath. But what's nice about this floor plan is if you really need a ton of storage space, look at this. Giant closet here, adjustable shelves. This would make a great pantry, right? And back here, all of your favorite outfits. The ladder for the over-the-cab bunk is in here. You have drawers down below, large medicine cabinet, your toilet, your shower, everything you need. Tons of options in both of these floor plans. So it might be a good time to do a little deeper dive right now at thormotorcoach.com.